I'm Vijay sir. Today I'm going to teach you Social Science of Standard 5. Here we'll discuss about lesson number 9, Developing Pollution-Free Environment. Okay. In this chapter we will learn about the waste. Okay. Understand? So dear students, as we know that we all live in our surrounding. So surrounding around us is known as the environment. So in environment there are two types of things. One is living things and another is non-living things. So living things also depend on non-living things, and living things of non-living things also depend on living things. So we all depend on each other. So in this case what happens? Every day we produce huge amount of waste. In our daily life we do many activities, and that's why we produce huge amount of waste. We produce huge amount of waste from houses, from factories. There are so many sources that we produce huge amount of waste. Understand? Okay. So dear students, mainly we can say that there are two types of waste. That is biodegradable and second is the non-biodegradable. The first is biodegradable, the second is the non-biodegradable materials. So at first we will understand that what is biodegradable materials. Okay. Material which decompose easily in the soil. Material which decompose easily in the soil is known as biodegradable materials, like fruits, vegetables, paper that we throw every day from our house. Okay. And we produce or peel of vegetables and also paper also. This all can decompose easily in the soil. So what are the examples of biomaterials? Fruit, vegetables, paper. So these are the materials which can be decomposed easily in the soil. Understand? That is the biodegradable materials. Understand? So like that also we produce in the waste, in the form of waste, that is non-biodegradable materials. So that is, at first we have to know that what is non-degradable materials. Non-biodegradable materials means the material which do not decompose easily. The materials which do not decompose easily in the soil are known as the non-biodegradable materials, like plastic, cane. Okay, so these are the materials that cannot be decomposed easily in the soil. Understand? So these are the examples. So every day we use a plastic bag also, and we every day in our day when we go to the market we bring things in the plastic bags, or we bring vegetables in the plastic bags. That's why we produce huge amount of waste, and that is also non-biodegradable materials. So these non-biodegradable materials which do not decompose easily are known as the non-biodegradable materials, and these are the plastic cans and plastic bottles also. Okay, so these are, and plastic papers also, that is. So these are the things. Understand? So dear students, now we will learn about that. So dear student, I was saying that every day we produce huge amount of waste, that is biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. So I said you that we produce huge amount of non-biodegradable materials also. So in the example of, just I said that what are the examples of non-biodegradable materials, that is silver foil, that is aluminum can, plastic bottles. Okay. So these are this non-biodegradable and biodegradable materials are, means this should be disposed, or how to dispose. Okay, how to dispose these types of waste, means what are the ways to dispose these types of waste, okay, outside of the home or from outside the home. Understand? So here we will learn that how to dispose waste. Understand? The first is burning. Okay, so in the first method, that is the burning. In this process what we do, we collect all the waste and we go to the out of the city or out of the town, and then we burn it. Okay, so that is the burning process. Next is the open dumping. In this process what we do, in this process just we collect all the waste products or waste things, then after that this waste is taken, means away from the town or city, and after that this types of waste are dumped into the open area, and that is the open dumping. Understand? And so in this process what we do, we collect all the things, collect all the materials and collect biodegradable and non-biodegradable and these all the materials, waste materials, and it is taken out from the city, or it is taken away from the city and town, and after that it is dumped there in open area. So this process is known as the open dumping. Understand? So next is the landfills. In this process, what we do means, in this process deep ditches are dug in the ground. First, what we do, we collect all the waste materials. We collect all the waste materials, and it is taken away from the city or out of the city. And then after that, there in the soil, deep ditches are dug in the ground, and this garbage is dumped. Garbage is dumped in there. When these are filled there, and these discs are covered, in the soil. Understand? And this, after that, what we do, just I am telling you, in these landfills, at first we collect all the waste materials. We collect all the waste products, and it is this all the waste products are taken out from the city, means taken away from the city. After that, there some people are there, deep ditches are dug there. After that, all the materials are covered with the soil. And this process is known as the landfills. So the next process is recycling. Recycling is the process in which means we can use the things, or we can recycle the things. Or suppose just I am telling you, I am giving you an example of, that is, all paper can be used again. All paper, suppose every day we read a newspaper, or we after that we write in paper or blank paper. So we use it, then after again it is used. It can be used again. Understand? That is recycling. So in this process, what we do, water is also purified. And water is also purified. After that, we can make it able for drinking. Understand? Or dirty water also can be recycled. After recycle, we can use this water. Understand? And after recycle this water, we can use it. We can plant, or we can irrigate our plants also. Understand? So this in this process. Understand? So in this process, in recycling, waste can be reused, or waste can be recycled. Understand? Means recycling is the process that in which waste can be reused or recycled. Understand? This process is known as the recycling. So we can use old paper also. We can use dirty water, or we can recycle dirty water. Understand? So these are the things, or these are the examples. So these all the things you have understood about that. You understood that biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials, and you also understood that how to dispose the waste. I said you that all the waste are disposed by the following ways, that is burning, open dumping, landfills, and that is recycling. These are the process. Understand? In this all the process that we can we can dispose the waste. Understand? So these are the things I think you understood nicely. So again, I will meet you in next video with the next chapter. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.